If you're considering using trestle segments, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before making the decision. Whether you're new to the software or comparing it to others on the market, this video will give you the insights you need to make an informed choice. Stick around until the end, and I'll also show you how to get access to an exclusive free trial that most people don't know about. First up, let's talk about the user interface. One of the key features of trestle segments is its clean, intuitive interface. If you've ever used similar software like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign, you'll notice that Trestle's platform stands out because it doesn't overload you with options, which can be overwhelming. Everything you need is right at your fingertips, which makes setting up and managing your segments easy, especially for someone who may not be a tech expert. Next thing, let's discuss automation capabilities. Trestle Segments allows for some seriously robust automation. It's got powerful segmentation features, similar to the big players like MailChimp and Klaviyo, but what sets Trestle apart is the depth of customization available. You can set up highly personalized workflows based on user behavior, which means you can engage with your audience in a more meaningful way. If you're trying to streamline your outreach without spending endless hours, Trestle offers significant value here. Now, the customer support. When you're dealing with software that's crucial to your business, you want good support. Trestle Segments offers 24/7 customer service via live chat, and it's clear they really prioritize making sure you get the help you need quickly. Compare this with something like MailerLite, where the support can sometimes feel a bit lacking when you need help in a pinch. The Trestle team is responsive and dedicated to ensuring you get the most out of the platform, and that's a big plus in this competitive landscape. The Trendsi or pricing structure is another area worth mentioning. You might have seen other CRM platforms with their subscription models, but Trestle offers a transparent pricing system that's refreshingly simple. While many competitors like HubSpot offer tiered pricing based on features, Trestle keeps it simple and there are no hidden fees. Plus, you get a 14-day free trial, so you can test it out risk-free before making any commitments. This gives you a chance to evaluate if it really fits your needs without jumping into a long-term commitment right away. Next thing to know is that integration with other tools is a major plus with Trestle Segments. Unlike some software that forces you to manually export or sync data, Trestle integrates seamlessly with tools like Google Analytics, Shopify, and more. This makes it easy to tie everything together so you can see your data in one place, giving you a 360-degree view of your business operations. If you've used software that doesn't offer this, you know how painful it can be to work across multiple platforms. Now let's dive into analytics. When it comes to understanding how your campaigns are performing, Trestle Segments offers powerful analytics tools that are simple to navigate. While software like ActiveCampaign gives you lots of data, it's not always the easiest to understand. Trestle's reporting dashboard is user-friendly, helping you quickly track open rates, conversion metrics, and more, with no complex setup required. It's perfect for anyone who wants the numbers without the headache. The learning curve is a final point worth mentioning. If you're coming from something like Salesforce or another large CRM, you might expect a steep learning curve. But that's not the case with Trestle Segments. It's designed for ease of use, so even those new to CRM tools can quickly get up to speed without hours of training. It's one of those platforms that just works right out of the box. If you're ready to give Trestle Segments a try, you can click the first link in the description below to get access to an exclusive free trial, as well as some additional perks that will give you an edge over the competition. Don't miss this opportunity to test out one of the most intuitive and powerful CRM tools available today.